Hooray! You made it to lesson 5. Here's where Twitter gets fun. We've done the infrastructure. That's done. Boom. Now we're going to start replying to people. We have 6 notifications. This bell right here means notifications. And I'm sorry that they don't have actual words that happen when you hover. It is what it is. So what you're going to do is you're going to click that now. Twitter is reverse chronological order. So go to the, scroll down. This is the one, this happened an hour ago at 8:25 p.m. This happened at 8:28. This happened at 8:31, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna reply to people. So Design Frame Solutions replied to our tweet and said, good reminder for freelancers. And we're gonna click the button reply and say, thank you. Thank you are the 2 most powerful words on social media, in life, in marriages, in every kind of relationship there is. Thank you. We don't say it enough, and it only takes 30 seconds. So take that extra effort. It's gonna matter. So we replied to that, and this is an MT. MT means modified tweet. In other words, they took the tweet that I had, and then there wasn't enough room, so they modified it. And I'm gonna say, thanks, ninjas. You can even level up and add a GIF. I'm gonna look for a ninja and do that. And then you're gonna click reply, which is not showing at the moment on my screen. And if you want to see it, you can view. So this line right here is something that Twitter has added to show the thread. So anyone who clicks on this tweet will see that we replied, that I replied. How to get paid now, replied to Ninja Forums, and that's the reply. The link to the actual Twitter, the tweet, is up in the bar. So we got lost, we go back to our bell, no problem. Here is a tweet from me, my normal person. I didn't follow myself, but look, sometimes this happens. So go ahead and click on this person, which is me, and add her to a list. So I live in San Antonio, let's just leave it for that, and then follow. Now go back to your notifications. So these people all followed me back, and if you're worried, you can look at them. They added me to their lists. These are all public. I can see what they're called, and I can actually follow them if I want to. Like, say I really like Code Mike's professional development list, I can click follow, and then I'm following it. So when I go to my list right there, these are the 4 lists that I created, and this is the one I'm following. And when I click that, I will see the 21 people that Code Mike has on this list and all those tweets in real time. Now, this is bonus tip, bonus! This is how you find people to tweet later, okay? We're not gonna do that right now, so don't worry about it. But I do like the Christo, so let's add him to, I'm just gonna put him in small business coaching because that's pretty much what he is. All right. See, you can get distracted. It's so easy to get distracted. Now, 6 other people followed me. This gets kind of confusing when I see it this way. So I like to go back to the profile and click followers and make sure I'm following everybody. Okay, Kevin McTaggart, angriest comedian in Vermont. Okay, that's fine. That works. I'll follow him. That's fine with me. He's got a good ratio of people. Now, remember our objective. We were going to reply to people and then find something to retweet, comment, old school, and maybe modified. So let's go to our birdhouse, which is the home feed. Now, this is going to show you two different choices. See this little stars right here? You can either have the latest tweets or what they think is first. What they think is first is basically like the algorithm from Facebook. So I want to click latest tweets. So that was an hour ago, that was 3 minutes ago. So that's why that's 3 minutes. See why you don't need to retweet all the time? Because this is a thread, and because this is an hour old, but there's a reply to it, it brings it back up in relevance. That's an ad. There's our repeat, there's our retweet, and here's Jason Tucker. He is, see, this is why I like to have it's hard to retweet some of these because of the way people format their tweets, but that's bonus material. So we're gonna do a quote retweet. I'm gonna click this, and then it's default right now. Twitter is defaulting at quote retweet. For some reason, I think it has to do with the election. Say, this is a good set of lessons that are being recorded as we type. How meta. From Bridget. Thanks for the share, Jason, because I know Jason is the one doing this tweet for WP Water Cooler. All right, now we got to find something we can do that's a actual retweet. Oh my gosh, see, now it suggests people. Don't lose your focus. You know, sometimes it is pretty tricky, because you'll have to read something. USTA College of Education and Human Development named one of the nation's top teacher prep programs. That's awesome. I like to at least glance at it first. Okay, so here is the copy paste method of retweeting. I'm going to highlight this text and copy, which is Command C or Control C. Then I'm going to go to their account. I'm going to click the tweet button. I'm going to paste, or you can go edit paste. And I'm going to put the RT right here. Then I'm going to put some returns here because that makes it easier. And now I can comment my way, which is adding some carriage returns and saying, congrats. Also, this should say hashtag SATX at the bottom. I'm not going to add my hashtags in here because it makes it hard to read. So I tweeted. If you want to check it out, go to your profile. Show 2 tweets. There is my quote retweet, and here is my other retweet. So we have 3 tweets, 3 tweets. Wow, that's a lot of enunciating. And it's been 9 minutes, and I spent a lot of time also kind of explaining. So I really don't want these lessons to be more than 10. So thanks for watching. Do your homework. Find something. It takes a little while sometimes, but you'll see the magic of lists later on. Bye. See you on the next one.